How to get Facebook dating back after deleting. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure your age is verified to use Facebook dating. Also, make sure it's available in your region. After you have done that, open Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the magnifying glass-like option at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to search bar. In the search bar, simply type in dating, and if it's available, you will find it in here. But if you don't find it here, you can simply go back, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, then click on see more in here. After you click on see more, you will also find dating in here. It is not available in my region, so I won't be able to show, but you will find it in here. If you don't find it here, you can simply go back from Facebook app, hold on to the Facebook app in the home screen, and click on app info at the top. After you click on the app info, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on storage and cache, which is the third option. After you click on storage and cache, click on clear cache and clear storage. After you do that, log into your Facebook again and you will find it. And this is how to get Facebook dating back after deleting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.